The day started out fine. We got up, and John, which is unusual for him, just came out of the bedroom and just sat down. And he said, "I just don't feel good." And I knew something was wrong because John doesn't complain. And I said, "Well, I think we should probably go to the ER." They found out that there was over 2 liters of fluid on his left lung. And they were amazed that he was even able to breathe, period. They did a CAT scan, and that's when he just said, "You have stage 4 mesothelioma, John."
I was kind of blank. I didn't know what to think. I didn't realize that my job had exposed me to this.
We're the Stalls. I'm Dee, and this is my husband, John.
My name is John Stahl. I was first exposed to asbestos poisoning through the construction business, through sheetrock, through gaskets and piping, all through my career. And I worked 43 years in the construction business. If you don't work, you don't get paid. The first treatment was with chemotherapy, and I went every 2 weeks. It didn't take long, an hour or so, but it'd take me 7 to 10 days to recover. That was hard for me because I'm a pretty active person.
Asbestos is poison, and it's a prescription for death.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's not curable.
Right.
Well, when I didn't really sink in. The longer and longer I thought about it, it's going to end my life eventually. But I'm going to live it. As well as I can.
It made me mad and sad, and to think that these manufacturers could continue, knowing that there was asbestos that could hurt people, continued to make these products for how many years? Years and years. And look what it's done to the love of my life. You know, it's heartbreaking. After we got over the shock of the diagnosis and slept on it that night, the next morning, I said to John, "I'm going to call Sokolove Law, the company that I saw on the TV." And I contacted them, and they were very compassionate, kind, caring. It was a great experience.
My kids are gonna be taken care of. Dee's gonna be taken care of. So it's a peace of mind knowing that I don't have to worry about them going down the road.
And I want people out there to realize that there is help, and they can get assistance and get a settlement from these manufacturers that continued to use this and know that it was dangerous for people.
We filed a Mesothelioma lawsuit to hold the companies accountable. It's important that people will understand that there's help and there's people there willing to help them go through this process of making these companies liable for what they've caused.